Do you experience change in your behavior and body language every time you research on a different character?
Yeah, sometimes some characters need a different kind of rhythm. So you consciously you try and figure it out. Okay, how I can bring in my body that kind of rhythm.
And how do you take the break or come to the normal situation if you have a back-to-back films and every time?
That again, it becomes a practice. Initially, it was a problem. Initially, it took a lot of time for me to become normal after work. I couldn't work after. For 6 months, I couldn't shoot because I was too much in that. I used to, when they used to come to shooting, I used to cry. I said, don't want to shoot this. Now it's okay. Sometimes you shoot still like this film. One scene, we were trying to do it in chronological order, but now budget constraint is like that. Now we are starting from somewhere else. In the middle, then Bachpan, then this. So after some time, you practice and it helps. But it always helps when you do one film at a time and you do in a chronological order. It always helps. It's a good way. It's a good way to explore the story or a character.